This is a Unich Airdrop. This airdrop came out about 5 months ago. So I just started. I started just yesterday. So if I started yesterday, you too you can start. It's not too late, okay? The way I see this airdrop according to Binance is a airdrop that is well loaded. They have been able to raise millions of dollars for this airdrop. So it's going to cook. I know that airdrop must have dealt with some of us that now makes us not to, have intention for any airdrop. Now I want you to know this. For the fact that the other airdrop didn't do it doesn't mean that others will behave the same. Okay? Let's just keep trying. Yes, this is Unich Airdrop. Yeah, you can hear the name Unique, and it's so unique. It's not like all those airdrops that you see, and it's not a Telegram airdrop, okay? It has an app. So at this point, I want to introduce this airdrop to you to farm. It started 5 months ago. It's not too late. Me, I started yesterday. Just because of some reasons, I couldn't start on time. So you too can start. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. The link is in the comment section. Use it and sign up, guys. This is my own interface, okay? Every 24 hours, you come and activate this point. Are you getting it? Now, you scroll down. If you scroll down, you see the tax. If you scroll down, let's scroll down and see. Can you see? Can you see all these tax? Run it to get more points of these Unich airdrops. Each of the tax, can you see 60 points, 60, 60, 60. So imagine if it is up to 10. 60, 60, 62, for example, can you see? It's not more than 10. I've been able to, I just did this one a few minutes ago. So I will teach you how to run some of them. I will teach you how to run like 3 of the tags on Twitter. That's X at X. So to be able to know how to do it, okay, on your own. So I don't want this video to be long. Pay attention very well. All right, let's try this one. It says share your thoughts about, I think it's about is it Unich Airdrop. Let me click on claim. It will take me to Twitter. Let me click on this claim. You say I got it. Let me click on I got it and see what is there. Okay, follow me. Gradually we are going there. This is Twitter. Click on this X. The new name is X, but former name is Twitter. Then you click on this just once. Good. Let's where we are going. Let's where it's taking us to. Just calm down. It's loading. It will open. Let's see where the thing is taking us to. I want to show you how to run the tax. A lot of persons find it difficult running airdrop tax. So from what I'm showing you guys, you can do it on your own without stress. Are you getting it? Share your link to your community. If you have community, share it to your brothers and sisters. Introduce them into cryptocurrency. Bring them into cryptocurrency. Share it with your friends. All right, now look at it. Make sure you give them a follow. Click on that follow button now. Click on it. Give them a follow. Follow Unich on Twitter. We have done that. Okay. So we have done that. So let's go back and see if we can claim our airdrop, our tax. All right, can you see that it says completed? You have got 40 of this Unich coin done. So that is it. Let's they say we should tag 3. This one says we should tag 3 friends. Okay, after doing this I will leave the rest so you can go ahead and do it on your own. Okay, just hold on, let the thing load. So first you need to post your reply. Just say something sweet about the airdrop. Is gonna, for example, it's gonna be an explosive airdrop that will shock the world. For example, that will just put it that way. That will shock the globe, okay? You send it. You send it. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's go back. You say enter the link of the airdrop you shared. Can you see it? They have given us 80 of it. Click on done. So I'll be able to show how to run tasks on a Unich Airdrop. So you on your own, you try and complete the remaining ones, okay? I don't want this video to be long, so that you can pay attention to other things. Good. All right. It's a very big. You go to this leaderboard, you see guys that have got millions of this Unich Airdrop. You come to their roadmap, just navigate through the app. You see what is there. Refer people. If you get referrals, they'll be here. Okay. Let's check their roadmap. Click on roadmap. Roadmap is just like the tokenomics of a project. It's telling you everything about the project. They tell that this is Web2 airdrop program. The thing will be coming to exchanges soon. We don't know the time yet. Understand? That means we are going to stake. Staking will be coming up on Unich Airdrop. Are you getting it? That's why I say just navigate through the app. When you go to referral, I just started. They said when you refer 5 persons, you'll be given 125 pieces of the token. You refer 500, you'll be getting 500. There's 20 referrals to give 500. Then 50 referrals to give 1,000 pieces of the 1,250 of the token. Then you refer 100, you'll be getting 2,005. You refer 200 persons, you'll be getting 5,000. You refer 500 persons, you'll be getting 12,000. You refer 1,000 persons, you'll get 25,000. You refer 2,000 persons, you'll get 50,000 of Unich airdrop. So you need to hustle. This is where you get your click on this invite. You can equally get your invite link there. Scroll down again, go through the app, see what the app is talking about. Okay, come back, go to setting here. Okay, fix it. It's on English. Just walk through the listing. There's nothing hard. The way you come to this earning here, I don't want to click it because my email address will show on the downside. You see guys that are top here are ranking high on the project. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See my next video. Thank you.